KRBRC. Check this out. Now I got a little problem right here with the diff lock here. This little piece right here, right? Now we all need the diff lock to lock all the wheels on your RC to get that good traction control, right? But the issue with what I'm doing right now is that this Traxxas design is not going to work with the new diff locks that I have here, or the diff that I have here, right? Which is a lot better, and it's more stronger and more sturdier, made out of aluminum. Now, if you have this type of dry shaft, you know, please comment below what you think. But as far as putting the diff lock on it, as you can see, the diff lock hole for this one is a little bit bigger. As you can see that right down there, if you can see that, that's the diff lock hole, right here. And the diff lock hole for the Traxxas version is a lot smaller than that. So I don't see how this is gonna work. So I'm gonna have to go without the diff lock in here and figure out a way to get the traction control to stay in place in the new diff. So that's what I'm having a dilemma with, and hopefully I get it right. But you guys comment below on what I should do. Should I put the diff lock in, but you can't take it out because of the way it's designed? It's like it's fixed in there. I chewed up the last one, as you can see right here. That is the piece right there that came off when I tried to pull it out of there, and it's not going to be able to work anymore. So I don't know what to do with that part. And I actually fixed it on there. On the new one is on here, and it's working. And it's, the both wheels are are locked in place. So should I just lock it in place so it can just stay with four-wheel drive, and put something to block this? Because if I put something in there to block it, all it's gonna do is just cause a little problem inside the diff, and I don't want to do that. So I don't know. Give me some help. KRB RC Racing, or KRBRC. KRBRC. Keep saying racing, but yeah, I'm trying to race anyways. All right.